Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the photos that appear private. Open Photos, tap Albums, then Hidden. Once done, make sure Hidden Album is enabled in Settings right arrow Photos so you can manage items. You also need your Face ID or passcode to unlock the feature. If authentication fails, address that first. Why? Because the system ties privacy to your device security, so confirming these prerequisites prevents locks and accidental rehiding while you work. Next, unhide the images. Select the photos, tap Share, then choose Unhide so they return to your main library. This gives you full control. After Unhide, consider moving very sensitive items to Notes or Files and lock them. This provides an extra layer separate from photos. Meanwhile, verify app permissions in Settings right arrow Privacy, right arrow Photos so third-party apps don't gain access. This step prevents unintended sharing and explains why permissions and physical storage. Finish by securing the device. Enable or confirm Face ID and passcode, and set immediate lock to keep photos private. Then back up to iCloud or a computer so you can recover files if something goes wrong. If the Hidden Album or Unhide action doesn't appear to work, toggle Hidden Album off and on in Settings right arrow Photos, restart the phone, and try again. This simple reset often fixes indexing quirks. If problems persist, check for iOS updates before deeper steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.